Good afternoon. I'm Vincent Sheppard, and I'm here to inform my audience on the effects of unprotected sex. It's only natural that when the mood strikes, the last thing on your mind is the need for safer sex. The majority of unprotected sex is acted upon within teenagers, but there are several adults who also engage in these type of activities as well. Many people think that nothing can happen to them while engaging in unprotected sex activities on the first time, but this is not a true fact. The number of times you have unprotected sex has nothing to do with the consequences that follow. There tend to be many different consequences that follow with unprotected sex. When having unprotected sexual intercourse, people should be aware of the effects which can be caused, such as pregnancy, the transmission of sexually transmitted diseases, with some that are curable and others are non-curable. Pregnancy is one of the major causes of unprotected sex. Many people feel that if they have unprotected sex only one time, nothing will happen to them. According to BBCF Future, a single act of intercourse between a couple have, on an average, a 1 in 20 chance of getting pregnant. It is assumed that if the opportunity is presented on a random day, pregnancy may occur. However, to avoid unprotected sex, people should take precautions, such as using a condom. Although condoms do tend to break in most cases, it is better to be safe than sorry. During sex, without protection, bodily fluids come in contact with your sexual partner, which can result in the passing of sexually transmitted diseases, also known as STDs. Some of these STDs can be curable as well as incurable. Those such as chlamydia and gonorrhea can be treated with antibiotics, while others such as genital herpes and HIV, also known as AIDS, cannot be cured thus far. According to standard, chlamydia is defined as a bacterial infection that is caused by the bacteria Chlamydia trachomatis, which can result in damage to a woman's reproductive system if left untreated, as well as infertility. In men, chlamydia can cause a penile discharge. Gonorrhea is also an infection from bacteria, which is caused by the bacteria Neisseria gonorrhea. This infection forms and grows in warm, moist areas of the body, such as the cervix, uterus, fallopian tubes, urethra, mouth, throat, eyes, and also the anus. The symptoms of gonorrhea for both men and women include a burning sensation while urinating. Men may also experience a white, yellow, or green discharge from the penis, while women may have bleeding and also vaginal discharge. As a result of unprotected sex, people may contract diseases which are incurable also. These type of diseases such as genital herpes and HIV can result in genital warts and a breakdown in your immune system. Genital herpes are caused by the herpes simplex viruses type HSV1 or type 2 HDV2. These viruses form in the shape of blisters on or around the genital area or rectum. Once the blisters burst, they tend to leave sores which can take from 2 to 4 weeks to heal. HIV, also known as human immune deficiency virus, is a sexually transmitted disease that breaks down the immune system. The disease usually comes with side effects such as fatigue, fever, headache, sore throat, swollen lymph glands, and rashes. HIV can also cause the development of AIDS, also known as acquired also known as the acquired immune deficiency syndrome. Before engaging in sex, people should be aware of the risks and effects that are associated with such acts. Although some people may initiate sexual activities on a spur of the moment time frame, you should always use precaution to avoid the after effects. By participating in unprotected sex, an individual can become pregnant and even contract a sexually transmitted disease which can either be curable or non-curable. All in all, to avoid the risk, it is best to use a condom to help in the prevention of such effects. Thank you for your time, and remember, always practice safe sex. Thank you.